Hey there fellow adventurers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the crystal clear waters of Puerto Galera in the Philippines, a true scuba diver's paradise. If you're looking for a unique underwater experience, this is the place to be. So buckle up and let's explore why you should go scuba diving in Puerto Galera. First, let's have a look at the stunning scenery above the surface. Puerto Galera, nestled on the island of Mindoro, is renowned for its lush green landscapes, pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs. And just a short boat ride away, we have Verde Island, a hidden paradise waiting to be explored. Before we look into Puerto Galera's underwater world, let's take a moment to thank our video sponsor of today's video. The Atlantis Dive Resort in Puerto Galera is beautifully built into the hills of Sabang Beach, minutes away from over 40 local dive spots. The dedicated beachfront dive resort incorporates 40 rooms with exquisite vegetation and all amenities to create a dive vacation of a lifetime. Offering up to 5 guided boat dives per day, all located within 10 minutes by boat from the resort, you can experience the incredible biodiversity of Puerto Galera, a designated UNESCO Man and Biosphere Reserve since 1973. It is the home to some of the most diverse coral reef diving in the Coral Triangle. The one thing that sets Atlantis Puerto Galera apart from any of the other dive resorts in the area is their unmatched customer service. Whether it is the restaurant staff, the housekeeping or the dive center staff, the people working at Atlantis Puerto Galera will do anything within their power to make your stay with them unforgettable. You will simply want to return time after time. I myself actually hosted just recently a group trip at Atlantis Puerto Galera. Myself as the group leader as well as our 20 guests that we had with us were very happy with the experience that we got at Atlantis Puerto Galera. So much in fact that we're already planning to come back soon with another group. Thank you Atlantis Dive Resorts for sponsoring this video and providing such an exceptional service to your guests. And now, let's talk about what makes Puerto Galera such a must-visit destination for scuba enthusiasts: the incredible marine life. This area is part of the Coral Triangle, one of the most biodiverse marine regions in the world. From colorful coral gardens, schools of exotic fish, to the weird and wonderful critters you can find when muck diving, Puerto Galera's underwater world has it all. And the close by Verde Island with its renowned drop-offs provides jaw-dropping underwater sights. Puerto Galera and especially Verde Island are home to some of the healthiest and most vibrant coral reefs in the world. The coral formations create a mesmerizing underwater landscape, providing a stunning backdrop for your scuba adventures. It's like entering a different universe filled with colors and life. Speaking of Verde Island, did you know that it's oftentimes called the center of marine biodiversity? The waters surrounding Verde Island boost an extraordinary diversity of marine species, making it a paradise for underwater photographers and marine biologists alike. Another reason to choose Puerto Galera for your next scuba diving adventure is its accessibility. Just a few hours from Manila, getting here is a breeze. The convenience makes it an ideal destination whether you're looking for a short getaway or an extended diving vacation. To further enhance your scuba experience, Puerto Galera has a very welcoming diving community. Whether you're a solo traveler or part of a group, you will easily find like-minded people ready to share stories and tips about their underwater adventures. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. Puerto Galera and the hidden gem Verde Island with their rich marine life, diverse dive sites and stunning coral reefs are scuba diving paradises waiting to be explored. If you're looking for an unforgettable underwater experience, make sure to add Puerto Galera and Verde Island to your diving bucket list. If you want to see more underwater footage from Puerto Galera and Verde Island, check out my videos Diving Puerto Galera and Diving Verde Island, which I'll link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting underwater content. Until next time, have a great week and don't forget to capture all those amazing underwater adventures of yours. I will see you next Tuesday.